Welcome back. Jet Legends 2025 marks a defining moment for Russia's aviation industry as the Sukhoi Su-57 continues to evolve into a fully capable fifth-generation fighter jet. Long seen as Russia's answer to the American F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, the Su-57 has finally begun entering a mature operational phase, with new technologies, combat-proven systems, and major upgrades rolling out this year. The jet that was once considered future potential has now become a real battlefield-ready machine. The story of the Su-57 in 2025 is about transformation, from prototype to powerful frontline fighter that symbolizes Russia's push to dominate next-generation air combat. At its core, the Su-57 combines stealth, supermaneuverability, high-speed strike capability, and advanced electronic warfare in a single airframe. The aircraft's design philosophy aims not just to match American jets, but to surpass them in areas where Russian engineering traditionally excels. The airframe uses a combination of radar-absorbent materials, blended edges, and internal weapon bays to reduce radar cross-section. While not as stealth-intensive as the F-22, the Su-57's design focuses on a balanced blend of low observability and agility. This approach allows it to maintain stealth while still performing extreme maneuvers at high angles of attack, something the Russians consider essential for WVR dogfighting and missile evasion. One of the most critical turning points for the Su-57 program in 2025 is the gradual introduction of the new Izdeliye 30 engines. These engines promise significantly higher thrust, better fuel efficiency, and true supercruise capability. Supercruise have the ability to fly supersonic without afterburners. Is a key requirement for fifth-generation fighters, but until recently, the Su-57 relied on older AL-41 F1 engines. The Izdeliye 30 engines bring the Su-57 closer to its intended performance, allowing it to operate faster, climb quicker, and maneuver more aggressively at high altitudes. Although not all 2025 models will receive the new engines immediately, test flights have already confirmed major improvements in acceleration and thermal signature reduction. Equally important is the aircraft's advanced avionics suite. The Su-57 is built around the SH-121 integrated radar and sensor system, which includes the NO-36 AESA radar with multiple arrays positioned across the wings and fuselage. This gives the jet full 360-degree coverage, something even the F-22 lacks. In 2025, Russia has upgraded the radar software, improving target tracking, electronic countermeasures, and multi-target engagement. The aircraft can detect enemy stealth fighters at longer ranges by using low-frequency L-band sensors, a unique capability that Russia often highlights in military displays and briefings. Combined with the jet's powerful onboard computing and data fusion, the Su-57 can now detect, identify, and prioritize threats faster than previous versions. Weapons integration has also advanced significantly in 2025. The Su-57 now carries a broader and more lethal arsenal inside its internal bays. Its primary air-to-air missile, the R-77M, features an AESA seeker and extended range capability, offering beyond visual range performance that challenges even the AIM-120D used by NATO fighters for high-priority or stealthy targets. Russia equips the jet with the long-range R-37M missile, capable of striking aircraft at distances beyond 300 kilometers. In air-to-ground operations, the Su-57 can deploy precision-guided bombs, cruise missiles, and hypersonic weapons, including early test versions of the Kh-47M2 Kinzhal miniaturized variants tailored for fighter platforms. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the Su-57's 2025 upgrade is its advancement in drone integration. Russia is pushing loyal wingman technology aggressively, pairing the Su-57 with unmanned combat drones like the S-70 Okhotnik. These drones can perform reconnaissance, electronic jamming, and even strike missions under Su-57 supervision. In 2025, the Su-57 is expected to participate in joint tests that allow the pilot to control multiple drones simultaneously through a secure data link. This transforms the Su-57 into an aerial command center, capable of directing unmanned aircraft into contested airspace without exposing itself to enemy threats. In terms of combat readiness, the Su-57 has seen limited but important real-world testing. Russia confirmed that prototypes were deployed in Syria for strike missions and radar testing. Although the numbers were small, the experience contributed to software refinement, system reliability, and harsh condition certification. By 2025, the Russian Air Force has increased production to maintain a steady intake of new units each year. While Russia's fleet remains smaller compared to American F-35 numbers, the Su-57's role is not mass deployment. It is a specialized, elite fighter meant for air dominance, high-value strikes, and strategic missions. On the global stage, the Su-57's export potential is beginning to attract new attention in 2025. Countries like India, Turkey, Vietnam, and Algeria have shown interest as geopolitical tensions rise and nations seek alternatives to Western platforms. While no major confirmed deals have been finalized yet, Russia has stated that an export variant of the Su-57E is ready for international customers. The Su-57E includes most of the core features of the Russian version, making it one of the most advanced fighter jets available on the global market. The jet's lower cost compared to Western 5th-Gen fighters further increases its appeal. Russia views exports as essential for funding continued upgrades and expanding its influence in global defense markets. Another area of major improvement in 2025 is the aircraft's cockpit and pilot support systems. The Su-57 uses a wide-angle HUD, a digital touch panel interface, and helmet-mounted displays that allow the pilot to aim weapons simply by looking at the target. In newer models, artificial intelligence assists with threat detection, flight management, and collision avoidance. The aircraft also has one of the most spacious and ergonomic cockpits among 5th-Gen fighters, which reduces pilot fatigue during long missions. Combined with the jet's high-speed communication suite and electronic warfare tools, the Su-57 acts as both a fighter and an airborne sensor node. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Su-57 program continues to face challenges. Production numbers remain relatively low, and international sanctions have slowed access to certain components and advanced materials. Russian engineers have been forced to redesign and localize many systems, which has delayed mass manufacturing. Additionally, some Western analysts argue that the Su-57's stealth characteristics are not as refined as U.S. jets. However, Russia's philosophy emphasizes a hybrid mix of stealth and aerodynamic performance, making the Su-57 uniquely capable in both long-range engagements and close-in air combat where agility matters more than radar invisibility. Ultimately, 2025 represents a year of confidence for the Sukhoi Su-57. It is no longer a prototype struggling through delays but a maturing 5th-generation fighter platform with a clearer role in Russia's future air combat strategy. From improved engines to advanced radar systems, from drone integration to highly lethal weapon options, the Su-57 is steadily becoming one of the most formidable jets on the planet. The aircraft's journey reflects Russia's determination to secure its place in the global arms race and shape the next era of aerial warfare. As the world continues to watch closely, the Su-57 stands ready, a sleek, silent, and evolving symbolizing a new chapter in this fight for air superiority.